Hey there, Sarah here from Chic Chalking and Design, and thank you so much for being here with me today. If this is your first time here, thanks for joining me. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back and watching another one of my videos. It means the world to me. I am so excited to share with you. In today's video, we're going to talk about t-shirts and how easy it is to create your own shirts. I don't know about you, but my kids are always after some sort of shirt, be it a theme shirt for school or a seasonal shirt for some sort of an event, or they just want a nice looking t-shirt that's not licensed. And I was trying to find a solution so that I could make my own shirts. And this has evolved, and I'll tell you more of this story in a minute. But I dabbled a little bit with vinyl and vinyl cutting machines and all of the software that's needed in order to make those shirts look beautiful. And it was so complicated. It was so stressful, to be honest with you. It was expensive, the machine itself, plus all the vinyl and the tools. And I wasn't very successful at it, and I was getting pretty frustrated. And I was so excited to find a solution that is quick, it's easy, and it's affordable. And every single time I get amazing results. And you want to know what the best part is? In today's video, I'm not actually making the shirt today. My daughter Avery is. And it's amazing to me that anyone, regardless of age or ability, can create their own shirts. So I'm excited to show this to you and show you how easy it is to use. Not only that, but how easy it is to clean up, because that's important. And that my daughter's going to do this one for you. So stick around. Let's see her create her own shirt. In today's video, Avery's going to show you how easy it is to make her own t-shirts. And one of the first tips for you is that you need to put the sticky mat on the inside of your t-shirt. And we've always found that to be a little bit challenging. So one of the things we learned to do was to turn our t-shirt inside out. And then we can position our sticky mat exactly where we want it to be without having to fight with the fabric. So that's what you see Avery doing here. She's stuck her sticky mat onto her shirt exactly where she needs it to be. And then she's going to turn the shirt back right side in so that the sticky mat is on the inside of the shirt and she doesn't have to fight with the stickiness and the fabric. That sticky mat is really important because it's going to provide you with a barrier so that the ink doesn't carry through onto the other layer of fabric underneath. Gives you a firm surface and also gives you so your fabric doesn't shift or move on you while you're designing. So Avery's chosen this really cute Hug Me cactus design, and she's actually choosing to just do the cactus. She doesn't want the word Hug Me. So she selected her colors, and she's going to use a squeegee, and this is permanent ink that she is placing on the silkscreen transfer. So what's happening here is the ink is passing through the silkscreen onto the fabric, and it's permanent, it's staying there. So she's going to carefully make sure that the ink that she's selected, because she's doing several colors here, are not going to intermix. And because she wants nice crisp lines, she's pretty particular. So she does take her time and make sure that the ink that she wants is in the exact place that she wants it. The other thing that you'll see her doing here is making sure that she's not pressing incredibly hard. She's just dragging her squeegee across the silk screen to make sure that the ink is passing through. And then she goes back and looks to make sure that there's no blank spots and that she hasn't missed anywhere. And so she goes back with her ink just to double check and make sure that she's covered everything that she wants covered. And that's it. She's added some yellow there, and now she's ready to peel off her transfer, and her design is going to be left behind. Now that transfer is really sticky, so we're just being careful as we peel it up. And you can see she got a couple of spots there that we need to clean up. While your ink is still dry, you can completely clean up those little messes. Just use a damp paper towel and scrub away. So here we're going to dry the design before we put that transfer back down, because she's not done. Her pot is done, but she wants to go back in for her cacti. So we just lay the transfer back down again, making sure that it's all still really well stuck. And she's going to finish her design. She's chosen some different colors. She wants pink heart, and then her cactus are going to be a couple of different shades of green. The great thing about this is your kids and you can design whatever appeals to you. You can choose whatever color combinations work for you. But it is not difficult at all to make your own shirts, and you could use this transfer to make several different shirts, and they would all look different because everyone would choose to create in a different way. So carefully here, Avery's just getting her ink right up to the color next to it. Those cacti actually touch each other, so she's being careful not to mix her colors, and so that she gets the right shades in the right places. She's also butting right up to that white of the pot, so she wants to make sure that she gets that as close as possible. And again, that all of the silk screen is covered with her ink, and she's just dragging it across to make sure she's got good coverage. Now she's ready to peel it all off because her design is done. Doesn't that look amazing? How easy is it to create these adorable designs on whatever you want to make? Wasn't that amazing? Didn't she do an awesome job? I'm so proud of her. I just love how easy it is to create your own things with these products. It is absolutely amazing to me how easy it is and how you get such great results each and every time. Please leave me your messages or your comments or your questions down below in the comment section. I will be sure to get back to you. If you're interested in supplies or classes, those links are in the description of this video, and I would be more than happy to teach a class to you, whether it's in person or remotely. I'd be happy to connect with you. So please leave me a message or get in touch, and we will arrange that for you. Thanks so much for being here and for supporting my channel and my family. It means the world to me. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and that way you'll get notified every time I upload new content. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.